So let me show you in short how to create a floor plan and then how to make a survey of ceiling elements. So first of all, we just simply draw a floor plan, how a location looks like, and then we start measuring it. If we want, then we can use a simple laser distance meter also to do these measurements. So if I do a measurement this way, let's connect first. So it's communicating via Bluetooth with my device. So I'm connecting a laser distance meter. And then when I am doing a measurement, then I just simply point and shoot and do a measurement, and the measured data is instantly transferred to the floor plan. Once the floor plan is ready for the location, then we can start drawing in the openings. So it's very simple to say, I just want to place down a door which opens to the right or to the left, and I also can measure them very easily, saying that this is an opening 2 meters from the corner, and it's a 2 meter wide and 2.5 meter tall door. Once we are done with the location, then we can place down ceiling elements or any kind of object. So here I can say, for example, let's filter on ceiling, and there I will say that I want to place down, for example, a ceiling block here. The position of this block can easily be measured, so I can say that this block is, let's say, from 1 meter from this corner, and it's, let's say, 7.4 meters from the other corner, so it positioned it accurately. And then if I click this item, then I can say that I'd like to make a raster, and I can say that this was the bottom left corner of my raster of ceiling elements. And then I can define the gap between the ceiling elements. Horizontally it should be 60 centimeters, and vertically it should also be 60 centimeters. And there should be 6 items horizontally and 3 items vertically. That's it, and click next, and there I can see my ceiling elements, or I can see that there is no gap between them, so it's actually absolutely close to each other. So this way, do another measurement. So that's my ceiling, and when I'm done, then I click this button, and I've got a place down ceiling very easily. And here I've got a very simple way if I want to modify anything in the ceiling. So if I want to say that it's nice that this looks this way, but I'd like to replace some of the elements, like I say that, for example, this element must be replaced with something else, for example an air vent, how it's called, air diffusion element, and the other one, this here, should be something like this here. And now if I upload it to OrthoGraph Cloud, then I will be able to export out the whole project also in Excel. And why we needed the OrthoGraph Cloud was that the users will be able to access not just the users, but even the client will be able to access the OrthoGraph model instantly. So I can say that this is a floor plan that I have shared with myself now as in an Excel format. So just to remember, this is how it looks like on the mobile device. Here we can see the ceiling elements as we have placed them down, and the element, so the object library is also customizable with our help, so that's how it should work. So if I get back to my desktop, then here is my email with the Excel sheet, so let's download it. Yes, and if I open it, how it should look like. So if I go to the object, then here we can see all the ceiling elements, and if I am curious about, for example, where is this ceiling vent, then I can copy out its link very easily. Yeah, and if I go to my browser and paste the link that I've shared with myself, and I have the proper right to access the data, then I can already see the floor plan with all the element properties, and this thing is also visible in 3D, so this is how it looks like.